Up first this evening, there was high drama in a section of Bernard Lodge, St. Catherine today as demolition crews began the removal of illegal structures in the area.
Under the watchful eyes of the police and military, persons to whom the houses belonged stood helpless. Their reactions in just a moment, but first, Jamaica Maitland reports on how the demolition exercise unfolded.
It was the whirring sound of a helicopter hovering over the Clifton community, a section of Bernard Lodge in St. Catherine, that awoke many residents early Thursday morning. Outside, an armored tanker, soldiers, a SWAT vehicle, police with high-powered weapons, and not too far behind them, excavators and men carrying sledgehammers charging towards them to demolish homes.
Police and soldiers, we put them in school, them lock down the community.
The lands are owned by the Sugar Company Holdings of Jamaica, SCJ. Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced that criminals have been selling different plots to citizens.
Tomorrow, the government will act to demolish those structures that have been illegally erected.
About 30 houses have been tagged for demolition. Member of Parliament Fitz Jackson was among the crowd.
That kind of activity is not anything that I would condone. Persons who approach me and say that they have bought lands, and one and two persons, I ask them from whom, they can't tell me or are afraid to tell me who they paid money to.
The structures in question have been built on lands earmarked for agriculture as part of the Bernard Lodge Master Development Plan. But houses with roofs on it cannot be destroyed, as it's a breach of the humanitarian law.
If you're going to save the roof, you can have dialogue. We are human. You can have dialogue with the remaining person. The same measures that we take for the person who house have on a roof, it's the same thing can take. That's what we are saying. No.
Residents looked on in disbelief as the structures were being taken apart under the watchful guard of the security forces, others holding their possession letters signed by the SCJ back in 2016. Sharia Anderson is among the 350 homeowners who lived in the approved section of Clifton and is awaiting her title. But she explains feeling empathetic for the others.
I am so sad for the other people them that places licking down the foundation.
I've been given letters of possession some years ago. The place have been subsequently surveyed, lotted, allowing for adequate access and infrastructure, roads, etc. in it, and lot numbers assigned and persons given their respective lots, and hence the titling.
Only 11 houses were destroyed on Thursday. The demolition exercise is expected to continue through to the weekend. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.